We haven't talked about security cameras in a while, but after the events of the weekend, I think it's a good time. Welcome to the Hippie Geeks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to catch all our new videos. We were out back working in the garden, while out front, this particular bit of stupidity happened. Yep, that fence company just slammed their trailer into Lindsay's parents' truck. He gets out and walks around to look at the damage, and then finally decides what to do next. Our neighbor on the right happened to be out front working in her yard, and made sure that he came to our door to let us know what happened. While I would like to think he would have done the same thing even if he thought no one was looking, I have very little faith in humanity. For as hard as the hit was, the truck took it almost entirely on the bumper, with very little damage showing. For all of the boring days that the security camera catches absolutely nothing worthwhile, there are days like this. If the company tries to argue that it wasn't them that hit the truck, or argues about how it happened, it is nice to have this kind of video evidence showing exactly what went down. I still need to get a camera mounted on the bus to catch license plates. While we can see this one pretty clearly, that is usually not the case. I just need to find the time to be able to do it. Have you folks had anything happen recently that made you wish you had a security camera installed? We would love to hear about it in the comments below. If this is your first time here on the Hippie Geeks, it would be wonderful to have you subscribe. This channel is all about helping you visualize, learn, and create. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and check out our Patreon page or merch store to support the channel directly. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next one.